Have you ever found yourself thinking, I need to check my credit report, but I really don't want to do it online? Maybe you're concerned about a data breach, or you just prefer the tactile experience of a physical document. Or perhaps you're simply not comfortable with the internet. Whatever your reason, the question stands, can you get your Equifax credit report by mail or phone? The short answer is yes, you can. But the real question is, how exactly does that work? What's the process, and what are the key details you need to know to make sure you get your report securely and efficiently? So, let's start with the most traditional of all methods, getting your Equifax credit report by mail. This is a great option for anyone who is wary of online security or who simply prefers a physical copy for their records. The process is straightforward, but it requires a bit of preparation. The first thing you need to understand is that you're not actually mailing a request directly to Equifax for your free annual report. The law, specifically the Fair Credit Reporting Act, established a central, consolidated service for all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This service is called the Annual Credit Report Request Service. To get your report by mail, you'll need to use a specific form, the Annual Credit Report Request Form. You can find this form on the official annualcreditreport.com website. Don't worry, even though you get the form from a website, the whole process from there on out is entirely paper-based. You'll need to download it, print it out, and fill it in by hand. The form will ask for your personal identifying information. This is standard stuff, your full name, your current mailing address, and your social security number. You'll also need to provide your date of birth. If you've been at your current address for less than 2 years, you'll also need to provide your previous address. This is a crucial step for identity verification. The credit bureaus need to be absolutely sure they are sending your sensitive financial information to the right person. Once you've completed the form, you'll need to decide which credit reports you want. The form has checkboxes for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The beauty of this centralized system is that you can request all three reports at once with a single form. You have the right to one free report from each bureau every 12 months. Some people choose to request all three at the same time to do a comprehensive check, while others prefer to stagger their requests throughout the year, say, one every 4 months, to monitor their credit more frequently. The choice is yours, but for this purpose, you'll want to make sure you check the box for Equifax. After the form is filled out and double-checked for accuracy, you'll need to mail it to the designated address for the Annual Credit Report Request Service. That address is Annual Credit Report Request Service, P.O. Box 105281, Atlanta, Georgia, 30348, 5281. It's important to note that this is the only correct address for this purpose. Mailing it to a different Equifax address could cause significant delays or even result in your request being rejected. Once they receive your request, the law requires them to process it and mail your credit report to you within 15 days. So, while it's not instant like the online method, it's a reliable and secure way to get your report without ever having to share your information over the internet. Now, let's move on to the second method, requesting your Equifax report by phone. This is a great middle ground for those who want a hard copy but don't want to deal with the paperwork of mailing a request. Similar to the mail-in option, you won't be calling Equifax directly to get your free annual report. Instead, you'll be calling the central toll-free number for the Annual Credit Report Request Service. The number you need to call is 1-877-322-8228. This number is your gateway to getting your free annual credit reports from all three bureaus. When you call, you'll be guided through an automated process that's designed to verify your identity. You'll be asked to provide the same type of information as on the mail-in form, your full name, date of birth, social security number, and your current and previous addresses. The system will also likely ask you a series of personal security questions. These questions are designed to be things only you would know, and they are pulled from information already on your credit file. For example, it might ask you to verify the name of a lender you've had a car loan with, or the approximate amount of a mortgage payment from a few years ago. This is a crucial step in ensuring your identity is protected and that no one can get your report without your authorization. Once you've successfully navigated the identity verification process, you can select which of the 3 credit reports you want to receive. Just like with the mail-in form, you can choose to get all 3 or just Equifax. After you make your selection, the system will confirm that your request has been processed, and your Equifax report will be mailed to you. Again, the law dictates that the report will be processed and sent to you within 15 days. A quick but important side note on the phone option: if you are visually impaired or need your report in a specific format like Braille, large print, or audio CD, you can still use this same toll-free number. Just mention your needs during the call, and they will be able to accommodate your request. It may take a little longer to receive your report in these specialized formats, but it's a valuable service to know about. So, why would you choose one of these methods over the convenience of getting your report instantly online? Beyond the reasons we've already mentioned, like personal preference or security concerns, there are other specific scenarios where these options are particularly useful. For one, if you're in the midst of a move or have recently moved, using the mail-in option can sometimes be a more reliable way to ensure the report gets to you. You can be very deliberate with the address you provide, and it avoids any potential issues with online accounts or outdated information on file. Another reason is if you're dealing with a complex issue and need a physical paper trail. Having a hard copy of your report is often a good practice when you're disputing an inaccuracy. It provides a tangible reference point and can be easier to review and annotate. It's also essential to be aware of what these methods do and don't provide. The free annual credit reports you get by mail or phone are comprehensive disclosures of your credit file. They contain all the information lenders use to make decisions: your account history, payment history, any public records, and a list of inquiries. However, they typically do not include your credit score. If you want your credit score, you'll likely have to get that directly from Equifax or through another paid service. Finally, a word of warning. Be extremely careful about which websites or phone numbers you use to request your report. There are many imposter sites and services out there that try to trick you into paying for a report that you can get for free. The only legitimate source for your free annual credit report is annualcreditreport.com and its corresponding phone number, 1-877-322-8228. Never give your personal information to any other website or phone number claiming to offer a free annual credit report, as it's almost certainly a scam. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.